If You Come to Earth by Sophie Blackall.
What's that smoky white stuff? I don't know.
Dear visitor from outer space,
if you come to Earth,
here's what you need to know.
You can find us near a big sun.
And a tiny moon. And a bunch of other planets. Ours is a greeny blue one.
the green and brown bits are land.
And the blue stuff is water.
People mostly live on land in big cities.
And small towns and tiny villages. Or just in the middle of nowhere.
We live in a city. It's called Vancouver.
We live in all kinds of homes.
I live in a house.
Me too. In all kinds of families. I have a big sister. I have a little sister.
There are more than 7 billion people on Earth. We all have bodies.
But every body is different. Except for my friends who are identical twins and look the same.
Except for Mustafa's mole.
There are twins in the school. I think they're in grade 5. Inside our heads, we are usually thinking. You can't see our thoughts.
But sometimes we show our feelings on our faces.
Even if we don't feel like it, we get dressed every day. We wear different clothes depending on what we do.
And where we live, and if it's hot or cold.
There's lots of different weather in the world.
Some of it's good and some of it is bad.
It rains a lot where we live. Yeah, it rains a lot.
Wherever people live, we usually have to go someplace else. There are lots of ways to get there.
I come to school on a car. I come to school by bus.
I'm a kid, and kids go to school to learn stuff, so we'll know what to do when we're grown up.
Like measuring stuff and writing. Grown-ups do lots of things.
To make the world work.
I want to be an artist. I want to be a teacher.
But when people are not at work or at school or sick or asleep, we get to do whatever we want.
I like watching TV. I like ice skating.
Whatever we are doing, we need to eat when we are hungry.
Some of us have more food than others. We all need food and water to survive.
We get water from the rain, which flows into little streams and big rivers, and all the way to the sea.
You can't drink the sea because it's too salty. The sea looks empty.
See, it looks big. That boat looks far away.
But actually, it's full.
Fish can swim, but they can't walk.
Most animals can walk or swim or gallop or hop.
But they can't fly. Some birds can swim and walk and fly.
So if I had to choose, I'd be a bird.
Me too. Yeah, me too. Birds can sing.
So can whales.
And people. People make all kinds of music on our own.
And all together.
Some of us who are deaf talk with our hands and faces.
Some of us who are blind read with our fingers.
If we are blind, we can imagine colors as shapes and sounds. These are the colors you need to paint everything in the world.
Some things are part of nature.
Some things are made by people. What is that?
I think it's a boomerang.
Some things are big.
And some things are small.
I see a mosquito.
I think there's a grain of sand.
Some things are invisible.
An invisible cloak and ghosts, gravity and germs.
Electricity, sound waves, the smell.
Some germs can make you sick. So can eating a woolly milk-capped toadstool, or breathing in smoke, or getting spat on by a slow loris.
Sometimes people get hurt by accident.
Sometimes we hurt each other.
Those boys shouldn't be fighting.
It's better when we help each other.
You need a lot of help in a place like that.
Babies are not very good at anything.
Kids are good at a lot of things.
Grown-ups can do just about anything until they're really, really old.
But by then, the babies are grown up and can help.
Older people are good at telling stories about the world when they were young. Kids are good at making up stories that haven't happened yet.
There are lots of things we don't know. We don't know where we were before we were born, or where we go when we die.
But right this minute, we are here together on this beautiful planet.
I think we're going to heaven. Me too.
If you come to Earth, you can stay in my room.
Love, Quinn.
Oh, that smoky white stuff was a UFO.